For the sake of this video, I also wanted to walk you through what these various signs mean here and what you can do with Seesaw. Just a quick overview. This is the icon of your class, of this very class, which you can, of course, you can upload your image or change the icon. You can change the name, the level, the theme. So right now I have it peacock theme, that's why it's this color, but you can change it. You can choose in this class settings how your students will sign in, using what devices, if they use the same device, if they share the device, or they use it their own device. So you can choose what students can do, if they can like or comment in the feed, in the blog. You can enable family access, you can disable it, you can invite family members, you can deal with the class blog, folders, skills. So this is like everything. You can archive and reset QR code. You can change different settings here. This add button is one of the buttons that you will use pretty often, because you can post student work, what they have done. You can assign an activity. This way you will create a new activity or assign it using the classroom library, community library, or your library. You can send an announcement. So this is like the button that you will use very often. In the feed, you can actually assess what your students submitted back to you by liking and giving some comments, adding skills, adding these activities to folder, or posting it to the blog. The feed can be shown also in the calendar mode. This is if you scheduled some activities, but scheduling is available for the paid version. These are activities that you assigned to your kids. You can pin the most important one at the top. This is the inbox for messages that you can have with family members of your students, or you can send just a student announcement. You can see that here we have family messages and notifications, family announcements, student announcements.